Cool. You got that. Thanks. I'm gonna bring that all the way down. So what we're gonna do is use these straps to pick up this guy and then walk it down. It should be doable for all of us. Basically what we did up in Idaho was coat it, so it's poplar, so it's all wood in there, and then it's got a couple base coats, super sanded, and then a primer, and then it's actually the same material that's used to make mirrors. So it's silver nitrate, so it's real silver. It's sprayed on with a chemical reaction, and it's a pretty athletic process. The guy who sprayed it jumps up on a platform, and he's got this son like gives him these guns, and he sprays it up top and then jumps down to the ground and then keeps spraying it. It all takes less than 90 seconds to do this whole process. And then on top of that, they put a clear coat that's like really easy to scratch but locks in the mirror, and then they put an automotive clear coat on top. So it's actually pretty, if you want to feel down here, you can feel the finish actually feels kind of like a car. Let's bring it all the way up here. There you go, Brad. You can set it down and then come down. You should hold close. Now watch the back end. You and I will walk out toward the femur. Nice job, bud.
Yeah, so right now we're about to stand up the Sonic Monument, and it's funny because we just made this crate to hide the stand a couple hours ago in Sacramento, and this is the first time I'm putting all the pieces together as it stands right now, and I think it's pretty straight, but what Brad's doing is grabbing some tape so we can make it a super tight fit so it doesn't lean. I think there's certain angles where, depending on how the pole goes in, it might lean over a little bit. So we'll have kind of a shim in there. Nice shot. Good job. Dude, that was sweet. Okay. mosaic doesn't fit in the hole, so we're gonna need to figure out a little solution here. Maybe cutting some of these little raised points down just a bit. And so I'm gonna talk to Jeff and see if he has maybe a chisel or something we can get a little mallet going on in the near term. Because what I'd probably do is just like take it and just kind of chisel that off, you know? Almost. It's closer. Where are we at? Where are we hitting? Right there? And then a bit more there. That's right. There's more. Showtime.
That's fantastic. Are those for ideas? Lovely day. Oh, the sun is coming out too.